Improve your English speaking skill. Conversation between two friends.
Hi there. My name is Timmy. What's your name?
Hi, Timmy. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Do you want to play together?
Sure, that sounds like fun. What games do you like to play?
I love playing tag and hide and seek. What about you?
Oh, I enjoy playing with dolls and building blocks. Maybe we can try both.
That sounds awesome. Let's go to the play area and start playing.
Okay. But before we start, do you have any favorite toys?
Yeah, I have a cool race car and a soccer ball. What about you?
I love my stuffed teddy bear and my coloring book.
Those are awesome. We can play with all our toys together.
Yay! I'm excited. So, where do you go to school?
I go to Maplewood Elementary. How about you?
I go to Oakdale Elementary. Maybe we can visit each other's schools someday.
That would be so much fun. We could show each other around.
Definitely. Oh, and do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. He's really friendly. Do you have any pets?
No, but I really want to get a cat someday. Cats are so cute.
They are. Maybe you can meet Max one day, and we can play with him too.
That would be great. Oh, I see the playground. Let's go and play now.
Okay, let's race there. Last one, there is a rotten egg.
Haha, you're on. Ready, set, go.